welcome back to Condé TV. I'm Tori, and today we are showcasing our line of ColorLyte products. Today, it's the ColorLyte glass cutting board. This cutting board comes with a chinchilla finish, and because it has that ColorLyte coating on the back, when you sublimate it, the image can be seen from both sides, which is really nice. It also comes with the rubber feet and in a variety of sizes and styles. I'm going to be showing off the small round one today. So let's get started sublimating. Here are some of the items that I brought with me today. First, I have my Conde heat tape, my image that I've already cut out, my glass ColorLyte cutting board that's small and round. I also want to take a second to point out that one side is coated with the ColorLyte and the other has a chinchilla textured finish. Since we are working with our glass product, we brought along our Nomex felt pad, a piece of polypoplin, and a piece of butcher paper. And things are going to get hot later when we go to the press, so I also brought my heat gloves. Now the first step is going to be to take our cutting board and line it with our image. We want to make sure that we're lining it with the ColorLyte coated side and not the textured chinchilla side. So once I've got it all squared away and there's ample amount of space all the way around my cutting board, I'm going to take a piece of heat tape and secure it down. Always like to fold one end of the heat tape over and leave a little buddy, like I like to call it, so that when we pull it off the press, they're easy to remove and we can go ahead and get that transfer paper off as quick as possible. Now that it's all nice and secure, we're ready to go over to the press. Now when we get over here, the very first step is going to be to put our piece of Nomex felt down onto our press. And we always want to do this when working with glass products because the Nomex felt pad absorbs some of that pressure and protects it to keep it from breaking. Next, we're going to put a piece of butcher paper down, and that's to protect our Nomex felt pad from getting any ink on it. Following that is our product with the heat transfer face down, and then we're going to cover the whole thing with a piece of polypoplin fabric. Once everything's sandwiched in there, we press. And for all of the latest instructions, be sure to visit Conde.com. Oh, that sound means we are done. So let's see how our ColorLyte cutting board turned out. I'm going to bring it over here. It's really hot, so once I remove that image, that looks awesome. I'm going to let it cool, and then I'm going to come back and check on it in just a second. So now that our ColorLyte cutting board has had some time to cool off, I'm ready, and it's ready to install those rubber feet. So let's get to it. I'm just going to take off the little rubber feet that come with it and install them on the bottom so that our cutting board doesn't scratch up any of the counter surfaces. Now again, this coating is extremely durable. It is dishwasher safe. However, we recommend hand washing your cutting board just to increase the longevity of the image. Now these make a great product for any kitchen and they're beautiful, so why not add one to yours? For more tips, products, and services, be sure to contact your Conde account agent. And for more of my videos, keep watching Condé TV. I'm Tori, and thanks for watching.